Hey, Uncle Nudge here. I'm up in the mountains and it's cold. It was 36 when I left, and up here I ran into a little snow, and it's not an issue right here, but it is cold, and it might be about that here, 36 or so. And one of these days I am going to run into some snow, probably pretty soon, but that's okay. I'll come up in the snow as long as I can make it okay driving and stuff. I've gone out in the snow before and it's really beautiful. Everything looks super clean, even though it's pretty cool now. So let's see, turn this around here. Yeah, I've been here. Pretty cool spot. Sometimes this little channel has something in it, and that little green guy right there. Oh, that water's cold. I'll go ahead and put it in. I turned my gloves inside out. For one, the camouflage was kind of distracting. I pulled out a rock and I didn't like that look. But two, they didn't dry very well. And so I just decided to turn them inside out so they dry. And I'd try it this way and see what happens. And I want to get some of those scuba diving gloves soon to try. Tempted to walk down here a little ways. I know I'm going to go up here, so I'm going to set that up there. Just take a quick peek. This little creek is probably snow runoff. The water is definitely cold. And it is definitely cold out. I put on some extra clothes today, knowing that it was going to be super cold. Should be all right once I get going. The sun might pop out. That'd be sweet. Here's something. A couple little things here. Nothing. Yeah, I don't know. Probably not. Okay, so I'm gonna hit the trail here. There's a decent trail, but it's kind of a crazy trail at the same time. Yeah, super mossy. Really cool. That thick moss again. Really thick. And on the trees, really thick. Some trees are just so cool looking. They got so much moss. The other ones don't have anything. Okay, I start taking a drop down here in elevation. And it gets a little swampy down here. Plus it's slippery. Ooh. Looks like maybe some kind of animal has been through here recently. Oh, it looks like even I see some human footprints. So I have actually seen some people down here before, and they weren't rockhounders. I don't know what they were doing. Okay, so I can see it's swampy here. I kind of know I can go through where I can go through. Still making my way down here. Definitely chilly out here. Once I get down here and start finding stuff, and my adrenaline will go up a bit, and then I won't even think about that it's early January or mid-January. It'll be, you find something great, and it's like, it doesn't matter what time of year it is. You just forget about everything. Let's see, speaking of forgetting, pretty sure I go through here. I'm lucky in that I have a really good sense of direction and a pretty good memory for things. Now, it's always different when you're going one way, and then when you're coming back, it's like, oh, wait a minute, I don't recognize this view. Bunch of trees down. Wow. I'm not sure I can get through here or not. Trying to decide where the trail is. There's some sun. Too bad it's not down in here. I can kind of get through there, but I guess I'll try it. I'm definitely going to, I mean, this is going to be tough to get out of if I got a big load. Might have to find some alternate way out. Yeah, this is a pain in the butt here. Whew. But I hear the water. Oh, there we go. Let's see. I think I go up here. Yeah, look at these trees. Freshly blown down. One thing, it's a little bit lighter down in here now with those down. Okay, I'm getting close. Oh yeah, I can even see the water. I know I got to go over that log. Recognize that. You know, one time I was out metal detecting not too far from here, and I come across an old 1800s logging camp, and I was finding good, some good relics and stuff. And this one area, I found a Civil War button off a Civil War type jacket, and I wanted to go back there. Well, the next day there was a windstorm, kind of, or it just was extra windy, and so I didn't go, because I know up in the woods when it's windy things are gonna fall, and maybe not this bad, but it could be a branch or whatever. And so I go back the following day, I go back to that spot. Here's the trail down. Wow, oh my gosh, these are all new brakes. Usually I just go right down through here. I guess I'll make a side trail. And anyway, I go back, and a tree had fallen in this whole area where I'd been detected. And I was glad that I'd finished that area pretty much, even though I still wanted to go back and see if there was anything more. Yeah, this kind of sucks here. Definitely gonna have to find a different way out. Looks like maybe this is a little alternate path right here, so that's good. Still got to get through here though. So anyway, kind of my rule of thumb is don't go out in the woods when it's windy, especially the deeper woods, and especially if you're by yourself. And then there's another day, and you may come and it's just got trees down all over. Oh, let's go out there and take a look here. Oh, over there, big trees down. I gotta walk over there. And this is an area where I usually find good stuff. It's kind of like that 8-foot, well really 16-foot circle I was in a couple of videos ago. And here's something. I don't think it cut up very well. There's Jasper. Yeah, it's pretty ugly. This is some, I think I put this here. It's conglomerate. No? This might be kind of cool. Kind of cool, but I know I put this here, this quartzite jasper, whatever it is. There's a nice piece of Jasper. I'm sure I set it there. That's almost a taker-homer. I'm gonna put that up on top here. I seen this one over here. Spotted one. I'm gonna think about that one too. And here's another. Some other jasper I put up here in the past. All I'm really trying to do is just get up here and take a look at this, all these trees and stuff. So I'm gonna quit stopping for rocks unless I see something really super cool. Okay. Oh, sun. Even some blue sky. Wow. Yeah, that's a lot of trees. I mean, just right there I see 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That little spot. That's a good little area too. Huh. It's kind of a cool, quartzy looking rock here. Yeah. Cool striping. Yeah, pretty cool. I'm not gonna take it though. Yeah, I was just thinking about maybe trying to fly the drone up there. Kind of take a look from the air. I think I will.